Hey guys, it's Jordan here at Phillips Chevrolet, #1 selling Chevy dealer in Illinois. Today we're sitting in a 2025 Chevy Silverado High Country, and I wanted to kind of go over a quick cool feature. Should be a must-know feature here with your mirrors, right? So we'll go to our settings on our home screen, go to vehicle settings, and then we'll come down here to comfort and convenience. And what you're looking for is the reverse tilt mirror. So when I turn this on for driver and passenger, when I throw the truck into reverse, both mirrors will tilt downwards. So we'll try this out. We're going to click on, exit out of these settings here so that it'll be set up. And all I'm going to do is just throw it into reverse, and you'll see both of these mirrors will tilt downwards, just giving us a better view at the ground. So make sure we don't scrape any curbs or anything like that. So just a quick tip here with us, and come on down to Phillips. As for Jordan, we'll see you for the next one.